How to mute audio in Google Meet. Hello everyone, welcome to today's tutorial. In this video, I'll be showing you how you can mute audio in Google Meet. So if this is your question, just watch to the end and you would know how to do so. The first step is to log in into your is to launch your Google Meet application, of course, just like I have done here. And then once you're on the platform, the next step is for you to either join a meeting or create a meeting. Okay, so for me, I'll be joining the meeting that I joined a few minutes ago. So once you click on join, you'll be brought to the home page where you'll see two icons, majorly camera and then microphone. The microphone here stands for your audio. So to mute it, just go ahead and tap on the microphone this way. And then once a slash is on the microphone, it shows that it has been muted. Okay, as you can see here, is a slash. That means that my audio has been muted, and then once I join the call, those in the call would not be able to hear what I have to say. So once I click on join, I brought to the page. You can see that both the camera and the microphone has been muted. That is, the audio has been muted. And on some occasions, Google Meet would ask you if you'd like to speak. If yes, just click on the mic, and then once it comes on, it will be unmuted and your voice will be heard. But once it's slashed, that means that it's turned off and the audio has been muted. So this is how you can mute audio in Google Meet. Thank you for watching and have a good day.